Unit 7, Lessons 7 and 8. E and E sounds E for feet. A, I, R, air for hair. S, H, sh for fish. U, R, for fur. Very good. What's this? It's iron. Knife. Glass. Pan. Don't touch. Why not? It can cut. It can cut. A knife can cut. It can cut. A broken glass can cut. It can burn. It can burn. A hot pan can burn. It can burn. A hot iron can burn. Okay. It can burn. It can cut. It can burn. It can cut. It can burn. It can cut. Very good.